The journey of teak, Tectona grandis, is one rooted in respect. We begin with responsibly sourced timber, honoring the natural rhythm of growth and renewal. Each log that arrives here is a testament to the long-term health of our environment. This mill may not operate with complete, modern, or digitalized technology. Instead, our strength lies in traditional knowledge and hands-on expertise. This approach is inherently sustainable and directly supports the local community, making it the very hope of everyone's economy. The transformation begins at the bandsaw. This is where human skill, honed over generations, takes center stage. The sawyer works with an intimate knowledge of the teak grain. In this traditional setting, efficiency is achieved through the artisan's eye, not automation. They ensure a remarkably thin kerf, dramatically reducing waste and honoring the immense value of the wood. Watch the rhythmic precision. This skilled, specialized work provides reliable income and opportunities, securing the well-being of the workers and their families. This isn't just wood processing. It's investing in the human element of the circular economy. The heartwood is revealed, dense, durable, and naturally protected. By maximizing the usable material from every log, we minimize the demand on the forests, aligning our business with genuine environmental and economic sustainability. For cut, the rough lumber is prepared for seasoning. But our commitment to a circular economy means nothing is wasted. Even though our machinery is traditional, our philosophy is forward-thinking. Sawdust and offcuts, byproducts that might be discarded in other operations, are systematically collected. These residues are repurposed, either used as biofuel to power our drying processes or channeled into local industries, creating additional value and reinforcing the economic hope felt throughout the community. The workers carefully stack the planks, inserting stickers for optimal air circulation. This low-tech, high-skill method of drying is the first crucial step in conditioning. From the careful sourcing of the Tectona grandis to the skill of our sawyers and our dedication to zero-waste management, every step is deliberate. This process proves that sustainability and economic stability don't always require the newest technology. They require commitment and respect. We are building quality for the long term, ensuring our products are durable, our process is responsible, and the hope of a stable, prosperous future is secured for our community and the next generation.